Hi everyone, in this video we will look at the having clause in the SQL. The having clause helps us to filter the data, but it is different from the where clause. The where clause filter the individual rows, but on the other hand, this having clause filter the aggregated values, the aggregated data. Suppose in this order details table, that is the order ID, product ID, unit price, quantity and discount, we want to find out the order ID that has a average unit price of more than 30. We will solve this problem using the having clause and using the group by. First you will select order detail and unit price, average unit price. We want to find out the average unit price. From order details table and group by order ID having average unit price. Where the average unit price is more than 30. We have written the query and now run this query. We have got the order IDs where the average unit price is more than 30, and we got this from the help of the group by clause and having clause. Yes, so that is for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.